What if I told you that your car is secretly smarter than you think, and the features that could save you thousands of dollars, protect your family, and make every single drive easier are already built right into the vehicle sitting in your driveway? Most drivers spend years, sometimes decades, behind the wheel of the same car and never discover half of what it can actually do. Not because the features are complicated, but because nobody ever told them where to look. Today, that changes. We are going through 17 hidden car tricks that even experienced drivers have no idea exist. And by the time we are done, you are going to look at your car completely differently. Stay until the end because number 17 is the kind of thing that makes you feel like you have been leaving money on the table your entire driving life. Number 1 is for a scenario you hope never happens but should absolutely be prepared for. If your car battery dies while you are in traffic or blocking a parking lot exit, your automatic transmission is locked in park and the car cannot be moved. What almost no one knows is that there is a mechanical override for exactly this situation. Look near the base of your gear shifter for a small plastic cover, sometimes the size of a quarter. Remove it with your key or a small flathead screwdriver. Underneath is a shift lock release button. Press it and you can manually move the transmission into neutral, allowing the car to be pushed out of the way without any electrical power at all. This feature became federally required after incidents where dead vehicles were blocking emergency lanes with no way to move them. Knowing where it is takes 30 seconds. Not knowing it could cost you hours. Number 2 is one of the most important safety features on this entire list, and statistically one of the least known. Reach into the trunk of your car from the inside and look for a small handle, often bright yellow or green, sometimes coated in a glow-in-the-dark material. This is the emergency trunk release, and it has been federally mandated on all passenger vehicles sold in the United States since 2002. Before that requirement, deaths from trunk entrapment, including children who climbed in while playing, and adults in emergency situations, were reported every year. The glow-in-the-dark coating on most of these handles stays illuminated for up to 8 hours after light exposure, making it visible even in a completely dark trunk during a high-stress situation. Every driver should know where this handle is in their vehicle. More importantly, every parent should show their children where it is. Number 3 is about a button that most drivers either ignore completely or are secretly afraid to press. That little icon on your dashboard showing a car with squiggly lines underneath it is your traction control system. And understanding it could be the difference between getting home safely and ending up sideways in a ditch. When it is on, which is the default, it automatically reduces engine power and applies brake pressure to individual wheels the moment it detects slipping. On wet roads, black ice, or loose gravel, this is exactly what you want. But here is the twist that nobody in the dealership ever explains. If you get stuck in deep snow or thick mud, traction control can actually work against you by cutting power every time your wheels spin, which is exactly what you need to get unstuck. Hit that button once to disable it temporarily, give the wheels some spin, rock yourself free, and then turn it back on the second you are moving. One button, completely misunderstood by millions of drivers every winter. Number 4 is something that affects your safety directly and takes about 10 seconds to fix. Underneath your steering column, there is a small lever or handle that almost 40% of drivers have never touched according to industry research. Pull that lever and your steering wheel becomes adjustable, moving up and down or telescoping closer and farther depending on your vehicle. This is not just a comfort feature. When your wheel is properly positioned, your airbag deploys at the right angle to protect you, your arms stay slightly bent for better control, and you can read every gauge on your dashboard without leaning forward. The number of people who drive every single day in a position that was set by the dealership technician or by whoever owned the car before them is genuinely staggering. Spend 10 seconds finding that lever and set the wheel for your body. It will change every drive from that point forward. Number 5, hidden key. This one has saved people hundreds of dollars on a single bad night. Did you know that hiding inside your key fob right now is a physical metal key that most people never find until it is too late? Here's the situation. It is late at night, you are standing in a dark parking lot, and your key fob battery just died. No beep, no click, nothing. Before you call a locksmith and hand over $200, check the side or back of your fob for a small release button or sliding tab. Press it, pull it out, and there's an actual metal key tucked inside. Now here's the part that trips people up. The door lock on your car is often hidden behind a small plastic cover on the door handle, specifically because it is almost never used. Pop that cover off, insert the key, and you are in. Car manufacturers designed this as a failsafe, but they made it subtle enough that the majority of drivers go years without ever knowing it exists. According to automotive surveys, nearly 30% of drivers who get locked out of their cars end up calling a locksmith when they had the solution literally in their hand the entire time. Number 6 is for every driver who has ever been blinded by headlights in the rearview mirror on a dark highway. Your traditional rearview mirror, not the auto-dimming electronic version, has a small tab at the bottom. Flip that tab, and the mirror shifts to an anti-glare position, reducing the intensity of reflected headlights dramatically while still allowing you to see traffic behind you. The engineering behind it is simple and brilliant. The mirror has 2 reflecting surfaces at slightly different angles. The standard position uses the brighter one. The night position uses the dimmer one, scattering the light so it does not beam directly into your eyes. According to traffic safety research, headlight glare is a contributing factor in a meaningful percentage of nighttime accidents. And this simple fix has been standard equipment for decades. Yet a surprising number of drivers have never touched that tab. Number 7 is one that could genuinely keep you out of a collision during the winter. That small snowflake symbol that appears on your dashboard is not decorative. It is an active temperature warning triggered when outside air temperature drops to the point where ice can form on road surfaces, typically around 37 degrees Fahrenheit, slightly above freezing to account for shaded or elevated road sections that cool faster than the ambient air temperature. The National Highway Traffic Safety Administration reports that icy road conditions contribute to over 150,000 crashes per year in the United States, many of which happen in temperatures that drivers did not expect to be dangerous. Some newer vehicles are even beginning to share road condition data between cars in the same area, essentially creating a live network of temperature and traction reporting. That little snowflake is smarter than it looks. When it comes on, slow down before the road tells you to. Number 8 is the one that feels like a magic trick the first time you try it. On a hot summer day, before you even open your car door, point your key fob at the vehicle and hold the unlock button down for 2 to 3 seconds. On many models, all 4 windows will roll down automatically, venting the superheated air that built up while the car was sitting in direct sun. Interior temperatures in a parked car can reach 130 to 170 degrees on a hot day, which is dangerous for children, pets, and anyone who has to immediately get in and drive. This feature was standard in European markets for years before American manufacturers quietly included it without widely advertising it. Some vehicles require 2 quick presses followed by a hold. Some need to be enabled in the settings first. But if you have not tried it yet, try it today. The first time it works, you will feel like you unlocked a cheat code. Number 9 is directly connected to number 10, and it involves a small feature that can prevent a repair bill in the thousands. The next time you are at the pump, look at the inside of your gas door, the panel that swings open to reveal the fuel cap. On most vehicles, there is a small hook, notch, or holder built right into that door. It is designed to hold your fuel cap while you pump, so it is not resting on your roof, sitting on a dirty surface, or dangling by its tether and collecting road grime. This matters more than people realize. Dirt that enters your fuel system through a contaminated cap can clog fuel injectors, damage the fuel pump, and eventually cause significant engine issues. A repair that starts with a clogged injector can run anywhere from several hundred to several $1,000s, depending on how long the problem goes unaddressed. That small hook takes 0 seconds to use and costs nothing. Number 10 is technically the simplest secret on this list, but statistically, one of the most overlooked. If you have ever pulled into a gas station in a rental car or an unfamiliar vehicle, and then had to play a guessing game about which side the fuel cap is on, look at your dashboard right now. Next to the fuel gauge, there is a small pump icon with a tiny arrow pointing either left or right. That arrow tells you exactly which side of the car the fuel door is on. This has been a standard feature on virtually every vehicle produced since the mid-1990s. It was added after widespread complaints from rental car customers. Yet according to multiple automotive surveys, nearly half of all drivers either do not know it exists or forget to check it. It is one of those details hiding in plain sight that once you see it, you wonder how you ever missed it. Number 11. Now, pay attention because this one is about your hazard lights, and it goes a lot deeper than most people realize. Everybody knows one press turns them on, but on many modern vehicles, pressing and holding the hazard button for several seconds activates a completely different emergency flash pattern, one that is designed to signal serious distress rather than a simple roadside stop. Some manufacturers, particularly in the European and luxury segments, including BMW, Mercedes, and Audi, have programmed the hazard button with multiple modes. A double tap on certain models switches the flash rate for low visibility conditions like heavy fog or a dark highway shoulder. A long press on some vehicles activates all exterior lights simultaneously at maximum brightness, making the car visible from nearly a mile away. This is the kind of feature you hope you never need but will absolutely be grateful for if you do. Check your owner manual for your specific model. Your hazard button might be significantly smarter than you have ever given it credit for. Number 12 is sticking with comfort and safety, one that drivers figure out only after years of squinting into afternoon sunlight. You already know your sun visor flips down, but pull it toward the window and you will discover that in most cars, there is a sliding extension panel tucked inside the visor that pulls out to cover the gap between the visor edge and the window frame. That gap is exactly where late afternoon sun sneaks through and hits you directly in the eyes. Car designers knew this and built a solution into the visor itself, but somehow this feature never made it into owner orientation at the dealership. The next time you are driving west in the late afternoon and the glare is cutting across your vision, pull that panel out. It is one of those features that once you find it, you genuinely cannot remember how you tolerated driving without it. Number 13 is about storage that most people are sitting on top of every single day without realizing it. Many SUVs, trucks, and minivans have concealed storage compartments built underneath the rear cargo floor, beneath rear seat cushions, or inside center console bases. Jeep has been doing this for over a decade with models like the Grand Cherokee. Infiniti hid a compartment inside the rear armrest on the G35. Volkswagen Golf models have a lockable tray under the driver's seat. These are not aftermarket additions, they came from the factory. They are perfect for keeping emergency tools, a spare phone charger, documents, or anything you want out of sight in a public parking lot. The next time you are in your vehicle, look underneath the cargo area floor mat and pull up any panels you find. There is a reasonable chance there is usable space down there that you have never opened. Number 14 is one that is going to save your lungs and your air conditioning system at the same time. That button on your dash with a car and a circular arrow inside it is one of the most misunderstood features in any vehicle. Most people think it just recirculates air for no particular reason. What it actually does is seal your cabin off from outside air entirely, which means diesel exhaust from the truck in front of you, farm smells on rural roads, and construction dust on the highway stay outside where they belong. But here is the bonus that almost nobody talks about. When you activate recirculation mode, your air conditioning becomes up to 20% more efficient because it is cooling air that is already partially cold instead of constantly pulling in hot air from outside. That means your cabin cools faster, your AC compressor works less, and your cabin air filter lasts longer because it is processing far fewer outside particles. One button doing 3 jobs, and most drivers never use it intentionally. Now, number 15 is for every driver who has ever white-knuckled the steering wheel because their car would not stop beeping at them for making a perfectly normal lane change. That lane departure warning system was designed with good intentions, but the sensitivity on most factory settings is aggressive enough to make a 30-minute commute feel like an interrogation. Here is what the car companies do not advertise. There is usually a button on your steering wheel that looks like a small car sitting between 2 dotted lines. Press and hold it for a few seconds and you can dial back or completely disable that system. Some vehicles require you to go into the infotainment settings menu, but it is in there. The original design was meant for long highway stretches where a drowsy driver might drift, not for navigating city streets full of potholes and construction zones. Once you find that setting, you are driving on your terms again. Number 16, and here we are at the feature that might genuinely change your daily routine. Most modern vehicles have a proximity-based auto-lock system built in, meaning the car can automatically lock itself when your key fob moves beyond a set distance from the vehicle. No button press required, no looking back over your shoulder as you walk away. The car detects that the fob has left the sensing range and engages all door locks on its own, sometimes with a confirming beep or light flash. Some systems allow you to set a delay of 30 to 60 seconds so you have time to grab something you forgot without triggering the lock. According to insurance industry data, a significant percentage of vehicle thefts and in-car item thefts happen because a door was simply left unlocked by a driver who thought they pressed the button. This feature eliminates that entirely. It is almost certainly already built into your vehicle. Check the settings menu or your owner manual under auto lock or passive locking and turn it on today. Number 17 is a feature so seamless that most drivers experience it daily without ever understanding what is happening. If the music in your car seems to get louder when you are on the highway and quieter when you stop at a light, that is not a glitch in your stereo. It is speed-sensitive volume control, a system that uses a combination of vehicle speed data and, in some cases, cabin microphones to automatically adjust audio levels in response to road noise. As wind noise and tire noise increase at higher speeds, the system raises the volume to compensate. When you slow down, it pulls the volume back so you are not suddenly blasting your neighborhood with the music that was necessary at 70 miles an hour. Some systems even learn your preferences over time. If yours seems to have switched off or you want to enable it, look for SVC or speed compensated volume in your audio or vehicle settings menu. There you have it. 17 features already built into your car that most drivers will spend their entire lives without finding. They are real engineering solutions that manufacturers built into your vehicle and then basically forgot to tell you about. The question is, how many of these did you already know? Drop a comment below and tell me which one genuinely surprised you the most, and subscribe because there is a lot more where this came from.